Start with a magic circle and chain 2. This chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch, and for this whole pattern the starting chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now make 12 double crochets in this circle. Once you're done, pull up this yarn in to close the loop and make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, this one. Next round, start with chain 2. Again, this won't be counted as a stitch. 1 double crochet in the same stitch and 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch. Yarn over, insert your hook through front post and pull up a loop. Pull through first 2 loops and finally the last 2 loops. That's 1 front post double crochet made. Now repeat this in rest of the stitches. 1 double crochet and 1 front post double crochet in the same stitch. Once you reach, then make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next on, start with chain 2. Now make 2 double crochets in between this first double crochet and this chain 2. This is the chain 2 and this is the first double crochet. We'll be making the stitch in between these 2 stitches. One more double crochet in the same space and 1 front post double crochet on this front post double crochet. Now repeat this all over. The next stitch will be making in between these 2 stitches, the front post double crochet and the double crochet, this one. 2 double crochets over here and 1 front post double crochet on this front post double crochet. Two double crochets and 1 front post double crochet in this. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet, this one. Next on, start with chain 2. Now in between these 2 stitches, make 3 double crochets. Now skip the next stitch and on the front post double crochet, you'll be making 1 front post double crochet. Now repeat this. 3 double crochets in between this stitch. And 1 front post double crochet on this front post double crochet. Once you reach the end, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Next one, start with chain 2. Now in between these 2 stitches, make 4 double crochets. And on this front post double crochet, you will be making 1 front post double crochet. Now repeat this, 4 double crochets in between these 2 stitches. And 1 front post double crochet on this front post double crochet. Once you reach then, make a slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Now keep repeating this increase pattern for 3 more rounds. Start each round with chain 2, and with each round keep increasing the starting number of stitch by 1. Here you have 4 double crochets, so the next round you'll start off with 5 double crochets and 1 front post double crochet on this front post double crochet. This is how the pattern will look. While making the last slip stitch, change to the other color, and you can weave up this yarn. Chain 1 single crochet in the same stitch, and take this yarn ends along with the working yarn. 1 single crochet each in the next 3 stitches, and that is total 4 single crochets. One picot stitch, that is chain 3, and make a slip stitch into this bottom stitch, and insert your hook in both the loops, this one, and make a slip stitch. That's 1 picot stitch made. 1 single crochet each in the next 3 stitches. One front post single crochet on this front post double crochet. Now repeat this all around. 1 single crochet each in the next 4 stitches. One picot stitch, chain 3, and make a slip stitch. One single crochet each in the next 3 stitches. And 1 front post single crochet on this front post double crochet. Now repeat this all around, and once you reach then, make a slip stitch on top of this first single crochet and weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.